So making payment in My Disney Experience is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can make payments in My Disney Experience. So for that, you have to be at your browser and you need to search for My Disney Experience, and you need to go to this website, which is My Plans Walt Disney World. So if I go to this website, it will take me, it will take some time to load. And here you have to, create an account first if you don't have any account. After creating an account, now, after logging in, you will see a page something like that. I currently haven't logged in, so after logging in, you'll probably see the same page. Now, you just, have to book your, Disney experience or your hotel. So you just need to select your, check-in and check-out date. After that, they will want you to, let me just show you for an example. So if I go to the checkout, yes, and I will, go to the view rates. Now it will take me to the new page where it will show me all the hotels that I can use to that I can buy with my Disney experience. So for example, I want to buy this, so I'm just going to click on that. And now, as you guys can see, I'm here, and so I'm just going to click on this select. And as you guys can see, it will just fetch all the information about the hotel that I can book. So at the information, you will be able to see an option. As you guys can see, it just took me to my shopping cart. Now here, you just have to continue this. After continuing it, they will probably take you to the checkout page. And in the checkout page, you will see multiple payment options that you can use to pay for your My Disney World. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can make payments on My Disney Experience. Hope you guys find this video helpful.